Welcome to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be going over the ability to create a service fee based off a specific resource percentage. So for this customer, they were looking for the ability to have a cable and perishable fee automatically calculate 1% of all rental resources. So as an example, if we drag in this Mac Mini, that's $150, it's automatically calculating a $1.5 service fee based upon that resource. So the way that we did this is under Financials, Fee Matrices. We created a Cables and Perishable Fee Matrix. It is based on a price with a default percentage of 0, but a resource type, we selected a rental resource and put in 1% and hit add. So all it's going to do is take 1% of all total rental resources, post subtotal discounts or standard discounts, and create a fee based on that. And we hit save. Then we went to Projects, Project Elements, and Quotes. And from there, we created a custom row, gave it a code, a name. The calculation method is fee matrix. We use the cable and perishable fee matrix type. It is based off the price. We're using our standard tax rule, so it will tax these services. The transient calculation is set to no, meaning we actually want to take this total calculation that we're creating and apply it towards the total. Transient is if you only want to use it for display purposes, so we want to calculate it. Waivable yes means we still want to be able to override it. So if we have a customer that we want to say not charge for that cable and perishable fee, we can override that. And we also put hide if 0. So if there are no rental resources on that quote, when we print it out to the end customer, it will not print out that 0 value subtotal. We hit update and save the changes immediately. Then finally, under document view, working view, total block rows, we added a caption, had the custom row setting be the field type, used the cable fee for the row and hit add, and then moved it in place and hit update and save changes. Now, if we also want to include this in our invoices, we would have to do this exact same thing of adding both the custom row and displaying it in the document view so that we can calculate it and display it on invoices also. So that leads us back to this quote, $150, a $1.5 service fee. We said it is waivable, so what that means is we can click on this item and change it to 0, so we override it. With it overridden, it will not print to 0 because we told it to hide it. Now if we want to re-enable that, we can click in there and hit refresh and it'll recalculate that again. If we change this value to 2, it will auto update and away you go. So again, to review, that is how you create a service fee based off of a specific resource type. Other ideas people have used this for is creating what we call a damage waiver. Say you want to put 5% of all rental resources towards a damage waiver in a subtotal. You could use that exact same principle in there also. If you have any questions on how to implement this into your system, please contact support at flexrentalsolutions.com. Thank you.